Remove straps on the package carton. Remove all bolts, fix the package frame, black cable tie of front wheel, and the top of package frame. Take 2 bolts out from handlebar clamp first. Remove black cable ties that fix rear wheel, and remove rest of package frame. Take front wheel, headlight, left side plastic cover and accessories box from package pallet, and view all of them. Remove front axle bolt and nut that fixes front shocks. Remove cable tie and plastic films of speed sensor. Remove plastic films to wrap whole handlebar and switches. Remove the brackets that fix front shocks. The front shocks are automatically released to original position after brackets are removed. Take other toe bolts out from handlebar clamp. Put the handlebar in the clamp and tighten 4 bolts. Please make sure the handlebar is in the middle of clamp. Take 2 screws out from left handlebar switch. Open the switch case and put it in the left side of handlebar. Tighten 2 screws. Please make sure the handlebar switch case is in the right place. Take 2 bolts out from clutch lever base. Put the base in the inner side of left handlebar and tighten 2 bolts. Please make sure the handlebar switch base and clutch lever base are in the right place, and all cable routes are organized. Set up side stand of vehicle to prepare assembly of front wheel. Remove a plastic clip from front brake caliper. Move the front wheel to the middle place of front shocks. Put speed sensor in the front hub. Please make sure front brake disc is fixed by front brake caliper. Put the front axle in the hole of speed sensor and front hub. Put the left bush of front axle into the front hub, and put the bush in the base of left front shock. Make sure the front axle is completely installed and lock the nut. Take bolt and nut out, and prepare to assemble rear shock. Move the vehicle and make sure the rear shock and bracket hole of the rear swing arm are matched. Have the bolt passing through the hole. Tighten the nut. Open the accessories box. Check and review your inside parts. Prepare counterpin, washer, to springs and rear brake arm for assembly. Remove the cable tie of driver footrest of right side, and the footrest is automatically released. Fix the rear brake arm from the bottom of frame first. Put one washer and insert the cotter pin. Put the bolt, washer and another cotter pin to connect the rear brake arm mount bracket. Respectively install two springs to right place, and make sure the rear brake arm works well. Take the bolt out from gearshift lever. Remove the cable tie of driver footrest of left side, and the footrest is automatically released. Put the gearshift lever in the gearshift axle of engine, and tighten the bolt to elect the lever. Remove the plastic films cover the dust tank. Remove the plastic films cover the left plastic cover. Take two screws with washers from plastic bag. Install the left side cover in two screws. Please note the installation place. Remove the plastic films of front turn lamps. Please correctly connect the color of wire. Green and blue wires are for right side turn lamp. Orange and gray wires are for left side turn lamp. Take the nut out from left turn lamp. Get the wires passed through the bracket hole and lock the nut. Also, take the nut out from right turn lamp. Get the wires passed through another side bracket hole and lock the nut. Take two bolts out from speedometer bracket. Install the speedometer on the lock, two bolts. Check and review round plugs of turn lamps. Make sure all colors are matched when connect wires of turn lamps. Remove plastic films cover headlight. Take two screws with washers from plastic bag. Connect the wire with flat plug, and make sure all colors are matched. Put the headlight bracket in the rubber hole respectively. Make sure the upper holes are aligned and lock the screws. Lock the nut to install rear turn lamps. Remove plastic films cover front fender. Install far rubber washers on the far bolts respectively to the fender. Install fenders. Please fix the fender wire when install bolts. Install mirrors. Install rubber cover of handlebar. Install plastic top on the gas tank. Put tools back into toolbox of vehicle. View out after assembly. Prepare to install the battery. Remove the left side cover and take the battery out from bracket. Install the top on the electrolyte box. Remove all the caps on the top of battery. Put the electrolyte into each hole. Please make sure the electrolyte in the battery is between upper and lower level marks. Install a breath top on the battery. Seal the battery in all caps. Please clean the surface of battery by cleaned water after the battery is sealed, if it has some electrolyte. Put the battery back to the bracket and fix it by belts. Please note the black plug-off wire is negative and red plug-off wire is positive. Do not connect the wire incorrectly. Finally, put the left cover back to the vehicle and lock the nut. Install a plastic top valve gas tank. Put some gas into the gas tank and cap the tank. Turn on the key and let the vehicle finish self-inspection. Turn on the engine kill switch. Press the electric button to start the engine and rev the engine a little bit. If trouble light is still on after engine starts, please use diagnostic instrument to check the trouble. Turn off the engine. Find the white cap of wire, which is located in the left side of gas tank. Remove the cap and connect wire of diagnostic instrument with inside plug. Turn the key to on position and let the diagnostic instrument works. Choose trouble. Press Enter to find trouble and choose the trouble code and remove it.